Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering down and unplugging the laptop to avoid damage. Once done, remove any external devices so you can access edges clearly. You check the model label or system information to know the exact keyboard layout and screw locations. This prevents guessing later. Next, inspect the hinge area and keyboard bezel for seams or screws. These are your entry points. Make sure to work on a flat, well-lit surface, and keep a container for small screws to avoid losing them. You now pry the bezel using a plastic spudger, starting at the marked tabs. This protects the plastic clips. Once the bezel is free, remove any visible retaining screws that secure the keyboard to the chassis. You lift the keyboard from the top edge slowly, tilt it forward but don't yank. Once lifted, locate the ribbon cable and its ZIF connector. Release the latch or pull the tiny tab to disconnect the cable safely. This preserves the connector and the cable for reassembly. You finish by reconnecting the keyboard ribbon loosely, power on briefly to test key response, and then power down again. This confirms function before you commit to reassembly. Make sure the ribbon is oriented correctly and the ZIF latch is fully closed. Improper seating causes intermittent keys. Once confirmed, replace screws, align the bezel, and snap clips evenly to avoid warping. If keys still fail, try cleaning under keycaps, check for bent pins, or use an external USB keyboard to isolate the issue.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.